Concept that one is microbes in industrial products. Okay, microbes are also utilized in industrial level to produce large productions like beverages and antibiotics. Beverages and antibiotics are the best examples of industrial products. Best examples of industrial products. Okay, even industrially, microbes are mainly used by the synthesis of number of products valuable to human welfare. Okay, that one are beverages and antibiotics. These beverages and antibiotics are produced in large scale. Okay, the production on the industrial scale require growing microbes in a very large vessels. Okay, these large vessels are known as fermenters. Fermenter means nothing but very large vessels meant for culturing microbes on the industrial scales are called fermenters. Fermenters are used to synthesize a number of products valuable to human beings. Some examples are beverages and antibiotics. Beverages and antibiotics. Okay. What are the beverages? The beverages are mainly prepared by the process of fermentation. What are the fermentation beverages? You know already. Microbes are especially yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, yeast organism. It is a unicellular fungal organism. This yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, have been used for time immemorial for the production of beverages like wine. It is mainly prepared from the grape extraction. Different types of beers, mainly prepared from the fermentation of cooking rice and cooking wheat and cooking beans, etc. Okay. Whiskey. This whiskey is also prepared from the fermentation process. Brandy is also prepared from the fermentation process of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is also prepared by the process of fermentation. Okay. All beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy and rum. These are the beverages are mainly produced by the fermented activity of different, especially Saccharomyces cerevisiae microbes. Yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, it is also prepared for the bread making. It is commonly called baker yeast. Okay. Next one, malted cereals, fruit juices to produce ethanol. The ethanol is mainly produced from the fruit juice and malted cereals material by the activity of yeast fermentation. Okay. Yeast nunchi bread తయారు చేయొచ్చు. ఈస్ట్ యొక్క యాక్టివిటీ వల్ల మాల్టెడ్ సిరల్స్ నుంచి కానీ ఫ్రూటీ జ్యూస్ నుంచి కానీ ఎథనాల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ ద టైప్ ఆఫ్ రా మెటీరియల్ used for fermentation and types of processing, different types of alcoholic drinks are obtained. Different types of alcoholic drinks are obtained by the fermentation types of processing and raw material using for fermentation. Raw material using fermentation. Next one. Especially wine and beer are produced without distillation. Okay. Distillation process, you know already in the chemistry. Distillation process. Without, that means wine and beer are produced without distillation. Whiskey and brandy, rum. Whiskey, brandy and rum. These three beverages are mainly prepared by the distillation process. Different types of beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy and rum. Wine, beer are prepared by the distillation process, without the distillation process. Whiskey, brandy and rum are prepared by distillation process. Understand? Next one, by these all beverages are mainly prepared by the microbes fermentation. Microbes fermentation. These beverages are produced in large scale in industrial level with the help of the fermentation of microbes. Understand? Microbes industrial products are antibiotics. Okay. In Greek language, anti means against, bio means life. This means against life. Okay. Antibiotics means against life. But this antibiotics refer to humans. There are pro-life. Pro-life. This means not against to human beings. There are against to microbial organisms. Okay. But to apply refers to human beings. There are gives pro-life. Pro-life. Okay. Antibiotics means against life for refers to microbial organisms. Antibiotics are pro-life. Pro-life refers to humans. Understand? So, antibiotics are chemical substances. Antibiotics are produced by some microbes. Antibiotics are kill disease causing microbes. Disease causing microbial organisms. Okay. Next one. Which one is the first recognized antibiotic? You know already. First antibiotic is penicillin. Penicillin is the first recognized biotic. Okay. This penicillin is recognized by the Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming was work done on Staphylococci bacteria. Fleming was once observed some unwashed petri dish. Unwashed petri dish, Staphylococci containing unwashed petri dish. Once he was observed, when that condition, some Staphylococci bacteria are killed on that petri dish. He was observed under electronic microscope. He was find out some blue threads. Blue threads. Okay. Where these blue threads are present, when that area, the Staphylococcus are dead. So, he was find out blue thread-like structures. The blue thread-like mycelium is Penicillium notatum fungal species. Penicillium notatum mold. Okay. Then after Ernest Chain, Howard Florey. Ernest Chain and Howard Florey, they are successfully find out the mold, that one is Penicillium notatum. So, the antibiotic name is depending on the fungal scientific nomenclature. That one is penicillin. The penicillin is extracted from the Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum. So the Ernest Chain and Howard Florey. Okay. Successfully extracted antibiotic from the Penicillium notatum and give penicillin. Okay. There are got Nobel Prize in 1945. Alexander Fleming and Ernest Chain, Howard Florey. Okay. There are got Nobel Prize in 1945 by the recognition of penicillin. This penicillin antibiotic was extensively used in the Second World War by the American soldiers. Okay, especially this penicillin was used for the recovering wound. సైనికులకి దెబ్బలు అయి తగిలితే కదా ఆ woundsని రికవర్ చేయడానికి కోసం అని చెప్పేసి ద సెకండ్ వరల్డ్ వార్లో అమెరికన్ సోల్జర్స్కి ఈ యొక్క పెన్సిలిన్ యాంటీబయాటిక్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం ఎక్స్టెన్సివ్గా యూజ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. Have greatly improved our capacity to treat deadly diseases. Deadly diseases. What are the deadly diseases? అవి వస్తే ఇంకా చనిపోవటమే. పూర్వంలో మనకి కొన్ని డిసీజ్ వస్తే అప్పుడు మలేరియా వస్తే చనిపోయేవాళ్ళు. ఇప్పుడు మలేరియా వస్తే మెడిసిన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, that type of diseases are known as deadly diseases. Some deadly diseases like plague. It is commonly called Black Death. This plague disease mainly caused by Yersinia pestis bacteria. Cough, commonly called Kali-Kansi. This whooping cough is mainly caused by the bacteria Bordetella pertussis. Bacteria. It is called Gall-Goto. Okay. It is mainly caused by the Corynebacterium diphtheriae. It is Kushtrog. Kushti అని చెప్పేసి అంటాం. The leprosy is mainly caused by Microbacterium leprae. Okay. This type of deadly diseases like plague, whooping cough, diphtheria, leprosy. These all deadly diseases are cured by the utilization of antibiotics. So the antibiotics are mainly prepared from microbial organisms. Today, we cannot imagine a world without antibiotics. You may not imagine the world, especially in medicinal field. You may not imagine medicinal field without antibiotics. In addition to the beverages and antibiotics, microbes are also used for commercial and industrial productions of certain chemicals like organic acids, alcohols, enzymes. Chemicals like citric acid. Citric acid is mainly extracted from the fungal organism like Aspergillus niger. Okay, citric acid. Another one, acetic acid. Acetic acid is extracted from Azotobacter aceti. acetyl. Butyric acid. Butyric acid chemical is also extracted from one of the bacteria, Clostridium botulicum. Clostridium botulicum. Lactic acid. Lactic acid is also extracted from the lactobacillus bacteria. Ethanol. Ethanol is mainly extracted from the fermented activity of Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast. Different types of chemicals like citric acid, acetic acid, butyric acid, lactic acid, ethanol. These are all mainly extracted or prepared by some microbial organisms like Aspergillus niger, Acetobacter aceti, Clostridium botulicum, Lactobacillus, Saccharomyces cerevisiae respectively. Enzymes. Enzymes are also extracted by the microbial activity, microbial organisms. Suppose some enzymes like lipase. The lipase is also extracted from microbes. It is mainly used for oil stain removal in laundry. Oil stains removal. Which one? Lipase enzyme. Understand? The next one. Pectinase. Pectinase and protease. Pectinase and protease, both enzymes are mainly used for juice clarified. Apple juice, grape juice. This juice is apple juice, apple rangulo undadu. Okay? It is a clear solution. Adi manaki oka clarified clear solution la untundi. Because of the adding of pectinase and protease in the industrial level. ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఏం చేస్తారంటే పెక్టినేజ్ ప్రోటీయేజ్ అనే ఎంజైమ్స్ వాటర్ యాడ్ చేయడం వల్ల ఆ జ్యూస్ కి ఒక క్లారిఫైడ్ క్లియరెన్స్ అనేది కనిపిస్తుంది. Streptokinase enzyme. The streptokinase enzyme is also extracted from microbes. It is especially used as a clot buster. Clot buster. This means blood vessels ni మనం క్లియర్ చేయడానికి. సపోజ్ కొలెస్ట్రాల్ అనేది పెరిగిపోయినా బ్లడ్ వెసల్స్ అనేవి నారోగా అయిపోయినా వాటిని క్లియర్ చేయడానికి ఎందుకని క్లియర్ చేయాలి? బ్లడ్ ప్రెషర్ ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంది, హార్ట్ అటాక్ రావడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఆ బ్లడ్ వెసల్స్ ని మనం క్లియర్ చేయడం కోసం అని చెప్పేసి వాటిలో క్లాట్ అయినటువంటి బ్లడ్ ని రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మైక్రోబియల్ product enzyme. That one is streptokinase. Bioactive molecules. Some bioactive molecules are also extracted by the microbes. Suppose cyclosporin A. It is very, very important. Cyclosporin A. It is a immunosuppressive agent. 2 marks lo vastundi manaki. Immunosuppressive agent. That one is cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A. This cyclosporin A is mainly extracted from the Trichoderma polysporium fungal organism. Trichoderma polysporium fungal organism. Okay. This immunosuppressive agent is mainly, that means cyclosporin A is mainly utilized for the organ transplant patients. Organ donor unte organ donor యొక్క organ తీసుకుని వేరొక పేషెంట్ కి మనం ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు ఆ ఆర్గాన్ డొనేట్ చేసే పర్సన్ నుంచి తీసినప్పుడు మనం మళ్ళీ తిరిగి ఆ పేషెంట్ లో మనం అమర్చేటప్పుడు కూడా use one of the bioactive molecule. That one is cyclosporin A. Understand? This cyclosporin A is one of the immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patients. Organ transplant patient ఎవరు ఉంటే వాళ్ళు ఇమ్యూనోసప్రెసివ్ ఏజెంట్గా వర్క్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే సైక్లోస్పోరిన్ ఏ. అండర్స్టాండ్? Bioactive molecules are stains. Okay, these stains are blood cholesterol lowering agents. Stains are what class? Blood cholesterol lowering agents. Blood cholesterol lowering agents. These stains are mainly extracted from the Monococcus purpureus. Monoscus purpureus. Monoscus purpureus. This Monoscus purpureus is mainly useful for the production of stains. Understand? Okay, it is one of the yeast organism. Monoscus purpureus is a yeast one, and this means a fungal organism. From this fungal organism, you are prepared different types of stains. These stains are used as blood cholesterol lowering agents. Understand? These are the different types of chemicals, enzymes, bioactive molecules extracted from microbes.